Saga XArt. Hey everyone, it is Sagar. Welcome back to my channel. Wanna know how to draw like a pro? Then watch this video till the end. In this video, I am going to show you some awesome tips and tricks. In this video, I am using Apsara pencil and a random marker which I found on my desk, and I am using a ruler which is very important. So I am using a sketchbook. So while doodling, you have to know the basics. So you have to draw the horizontal lines, vertical lines are very important, guys, and the shapes are also very important. The curve lines are very important for the beginners to start out to how to doodle. I am showing you how to draw stars and rectangles. I am drawing over the rectangle. Circles are very important, as in smileys also there will be circles, emojis. Okay, then heart symbols are also very important, guys. So I am using a random sketchbook which I found on desk. You have to practice because practice makes man perfect. And these shapes which I am using here are very important. I am drawing over there a coffee mug. In coffee mug also there are three basic shapes: lines and circle. Curves are also very important. So please do watch the video till the end, guys, as there is a surprise. I will show my stationery, which on the stationery marker I am using there. And I am drawing the flower. You have to draw flowers, stars, all the natural objects also you can show it in doodle form. And pen and lines you have to use lines should be practiced very frequently, guys. Doodling is a form of art which is limitless. You can doodle while you are listening to a class or anything. You can doodle while you are talking to a friend or something. So shapes are very important. I am drawing here some lines, zigzag lines. Those all things are important. First you have to remove your fear to draw, and you have to remove your tension with the pen. So you have to draw some basic lines and shapes. In doodling you can use lettering also as your doodle. It is your own style. First you have to draw basics and get on your creative track, keep going. That's what I am doing over here. So many people asked me on comments like which pen is the best, which pen I have to choose, and all those things. So there is nothing about like which pen you have to choose or nothing. Any pen is suitable for you and it is comfortable to hold is better for you. Like you have to choose your pen and better flowing ink. It should have very better flowing ink, and you have to follow your own style. Like I give you only some kind of pen which I am giving at the end, and links in the description, but you have to find your own pens which is comfortable to hold and which is having a smooth flowing of ink. Like the pen I am using will be shown last. You guys, please do subscribe to my channel, which means me a lot. Please do subscribe to my channel and follow my socials. Like there are pens, doodling pens are lot of pens, like but they come from a lot of ranges, costly and cheap. Ballpoint pens, you can doodle with any kind of pen or pencil. At the beginner level, I tell you to draw with the pencil, because if you can't correct, guys, you can use social media for your references. I use reference as my Instagram page as my reference, guys. And Pinterest is also very much platform for your references. Please do check it out. Please do check out my Instagram channel page at @hemasagar6. So Instagram is one of the reference platform you can use, and you can use your motivations also. Your motivations, all those things can be used on Instagram. So now I am doodling. Like doodling starts with a random. I start with a random doodle. I'm starting with a cup. You can doodle any object, like which are you able to see in your hall, in your drawing table or anything. You can draw computer, phone, mobile, pencil, anything you can draw. And you can draw seasons from summer, winter. Using letters only, you can do some of the kind of doodles. And you can do any type of mugs. You can do doodles of pizzas, any eatables, guys, pizza, burger, all those things also you can sketch. The most important thing is to practice. Practice makes man perfect. And you can draw muffins. Like you have to start with a kind of doodle, guys. Like you have to start with a motivation. You have to take references, or you can draw your own from your imagination. Imagination is also very important while drawing. And you have to sketch it at the beginning. Sketch in a small thumbnail sketches. They call it as thumbnail sketches. You have to draw your composition and the thumbnail sketches, which makes the composition very look brighter and nicer. So I am drawing with some random shapes and cupcake, burger, all those things I am drawing. Vada pav, egg and bacon are also very nice to draw. They go with together in England. So England is very famous for egg and bacon, I think so. So you can draw any object like cell phone, wires, anything you can draw as your doodle. It is very important. And I suggest you to use pencil at the beginning while rather using pen. You can use any kind of paper like a A4 sheet of paper or a sketchbook. At beginning I was starting with only a A4 sheet of printer paper, which costs very cheap and it is very handy, so I used that. If you are struggling to draw straight lines, I recommend you to print out 0.5 by 0.5 lines boxes. You can print out and you can draw for guided reference lines for straight lines. I drew an ice cream also, guys. Doodling is limitless. Like you can find your own style in doodling. And this video took me a lot of time to make, guys. So please make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow on my social media. Next I will tell you, this is one of my favorite paintings. I'll tell you how I took references. Like I was writing with bang and zap or from letter forms of doodles, and I keep on using this bang and zap in all my doodles also. You can repeat your doodles. And I have drawn a SpongeBob reference which I have taken from SpongeBob character. These all are very important for a doodle. And next I am showing you the final sketch which I have made. I am drawing an ice cream which has zombie eyes and zombie ears, which is looking awesome. So doodling is nothing an art form. Some people keep on going to doodle. I suggest you to check out Vex and GoXart videos for knowing how to doodle all those things. And please do practice makes perfect. I was like thinking of to doodle. I have started doodling from past 2 years. And if you have any queries, please do mail me. I will link all my socials down. If you have any queries, please do mail me or DM me on Instagram. The pen which I have chosen over here is very comfortable to hold, and it is very flowing ink. It has nice kind of ink. I am doodling over here a building. I am doing a building. You can draw anything, pen, pencil, anything you can draw in your own style, but it takes practice to find your own style. Like when I started, I did not find my own style. I was just practicing randomly. Then I found out my own style, guys. Then I am drawing a random doodling character. In doodles also, the basic things only are coming, like eyes are in circular form, and the building is in square and rectangle form, which is projected. So these are very important. Lines are also very important. If the lines are straight, the doodle looks very smooth and fine. So please make sure you draw basics. And curvy lines are also very important in this form in doodling form. So you make sure you practice a lot. You have to practice basics like every day. Basics are like important for drawing. So please make sure to draw, you practice basics. The teeth one you see over in this doodle, I have drawn in that other doodle which I have previously showed in this video. So you can always repeat your doodles. It doesn't mean you have to not repeat your doodles, that your wish. The love which I am writing here, the letter love, you can write letter doodle, you can make only smiley doodles, all those things, but I am mixing and matching all the doodles over here which I am making. And I am doing coffee cup and a coke can. You can use any kind of doodles, guys. You can use random shapes. You can use like circle, triangle and rectangle.